Welcome and thank you for dropping by in my channel, Gracie Marticals. I hope you are fine and happy. Today I'm going to share with you a very nice no bake, no steaming, and it is a Graham Peach Flan. This is really good for pairing for your cup of tea, for your coffee, or even you can eat it as your dessert or your pudding. So what are we waiting for? Let's come and do it. Okay, we will start with combining our 200 grams of crushed Graham biscuits. If you don't have a Graham, you can use Oreo. Just remove the cream inside and then crush it. We will combine it with 6 tablespoons of melted butter to bind the crust. And then just mix it thoroughly. Like that. Mix and after combining it, guys, this is what the mixture that we would like to achieve. So from here, we are going to transfer this one. So from there, I'm going to transfer it in here in my cupcake moulder and just press it out. Press it all like that, yeah? Press, and continue until you finish all the crust, and then put it back in the molder. So okay, this is it, and this is all what I have for the 200 grams that I have made, combined with butter, and this is I make about 12 pieces of this one, yeah, and the rest I'm going to put it in here, and then there, and I could use it for the next one. Okay, with our second mixture, I'm going not going to put a light yet. I'm going to put in here 1 cup of condensed milk. There. And then 1 cup of all-purpose cream, cooking cream. And then I have to mix it. And also, we have here 1/3 cup of sugar. Then what we are going to do is to bring it to simmer. Yeah? Only simmer, guys, don't boil it. Simmer until the sugar will melt. And then the mixture will be blended. Yeah. And then while waiting it for simmer, I'm going to add my 1 cup of diced minced peaches. Okay. There. Mix it and simmer it until it becomes a little bit sticky. While stirring it and waiting it to simmer, I will also add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch that I have mixed with water. Yeah. And then just stir it until it simmers. Okay guys, now I can see that this is already steaming and starting to harden. So I'm going to switch it off, and this is what the consistency that we need, yeah? So it's steaming now, so I have to stop there, and then we have to cool it down before we put it on top of our crust. Our toppings is now cold, so we will now put it on top of it. Okay, another one. It's not really that cold. It's still steaming, but yeah. So there, just put it on top like that, and back in there. Right, this is all that I have made. I have made about 12, and then I have here a remaining topping, so I'm going to pour it in here onto my remaining crust as well. And then I have to leave it cool it properly, and then put it into the fridge for about 6 to 8 hours. Hello guys! After about maybe 6.5 hours in the fridge, here is my no-bake, no steaming Graham Peach Flan. I'm going to eat it now, but before that, thank you for being with me, and please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell so that you will be updated to my future video upload. And also, please comment, like, and share my video, and follow me in my Facebook page as well, which is Gracie Marticals. So, let's begin. I've got a cup of tea here.